In this video, I'm going to be revealing what you need in order to earn $1,000 per day. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing what you need to earn $1,000 per day. The very first thing, guys, that you need to understand that you can earn this amount of money. Okay, there is no reason why you cannot earn it. It's just start with your mindset. Okay, sometimes people do not achieve this because they don't even try it, because they think they cannot do it for XYZ reason, or there are other people out there who can do it for XYZ reason. Okay, that's the very first thing you understand, that you can do it. Okay, and you deserve it. Okay, the other thing is that you understand that this takes time. Okay, most people out there trying to earn money online, but they set up false expectations. They're like, okay, I'm gonna be earning, for example, $1,000 per day in 2 days. Man, that's not gonna happen. Okay, this is gonna take time, and you need to compare this with a brick and mortgage business, a regular offline business. Back on the day, people, and still on the day, people, get a loan, let's say $50,000, $100,000 to create a business. They need to pay for all the bills. They need to pay, sometimes taxes in advance just to create a business. Sometimes they need to pay just to create a business plan. Okay, they need to rent sometimes a warehouse, in order to have a business. And they're in debt. I mean, huge debt before they start, earning money. And sometimes they earn quote unquote money, but they are not in profit. Okay, they are not in profit because they need to pay all these debts. Okay, but people are like, hey, if we make 5 years, I know this is going to be worth it. But the thing with online businesses is that, the entry barrier is so low that people just quit. Okay, they sometimes don't just give it enough time. And, this is something that I realize. Okay, this is really simple. Sometimes I tell people like, hey, you need to do between 1 to 3 hours per day of work. And sometimes people just don't do it. They're like, no, yeah, I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to do it on the weekend. Tomorrow comes, the weekend comes, and they don't do anything at all. So, man, treat this like a business in which you went into a huge debt because there is a dream that you want to accomplish. The other thing is that, man, this takes effort. Okay, this takes effort. Yeah, I know that there are going to be times that you need to sacrifice 1, 2, 3 hours with your family, but it's way better, and again, it's way easier than having a second full-time job. Okay, you just need to put things into perspective and put things in the balance and realize that this is a huge opportunity, but you need to take action. Okay, you need to put the work. If you're not gonna do that, things are not gonna change for some unknown reason, for some magical reasons. Okay, it's gonna take time and it's gonna take effort of your part. Okay, because chances are that you will need to learn a new skills, because it requires to learn skill sets. Okay, if you are not earning $1,000 per day, or let's say an extra $100 per day, or let's say an extra $1,000 per month, is because there is something that you need to learn. In my case, I decided to go all in with affiliate marketing because I consider it the easiest business model. I tried other business models in the past, and just in case that you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's definitely the simple business model, because here you have someone who created a product. I'm going to put it here, a P of product, and here we have a potential customer, a lead, someone who might be interested in a product or service, and here you're going to be the middleman. Okay, chances are is that this person is online, he or she is looking for a review about a product or a service, and you're like, hey, you're looking for this information, hey, I got it. And if this person use your link and make the purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. Okay, you don't take care of customer service, you don't process payments, you don't deal with refunds, tech support, on any other stuff. You don't even create a product. Okay, literally, you're just sharing information about the product or service that you like, why you like it, and with that person use your link, you're going to be earning money. Okay, yes, there is system in place that you need to create so you can do this professionally and you can earn consistently amount of money every single month. So that's the reason why you need to learn skills. So if you guys want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can check it out. Okay, but this is what I think is the easiest business model out there, because you can literally learn the basics today, in a week, a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how much time you have. And again, you just need to put the time, to do the task every single day. Okay, so that's really important, that you need to understand that you need to require to learn skill set. Okay, it's not something that it's gonna cost you, like an MBA or something like that. No. Okay, so what else? You need to understand that it takes perseverance. Okay, there are gonna be roadblocks. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, I have been doing this business model since 2018. Okay, there are gonna be roadblocks. I have seen people who have achieved huge success but for some reason they just stop. I have seen others that were getting results, and again they decided to stop. And I see others who says like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna give it a try, and they never start. Okay, so I don't know what's gonna be or who are gonna be you, but I hope right now you're understanding that there is a huge potential here, but there are some things that you need to understand. And first of all, is that everything is up to you. Okay, everything is up to you, because you are the one who need to put the effort. It's like if you buy a gym membership, okay, you can have the best coach there, the best trainer, the best nutritionist, but if you are not working out, if you are not following the routine, if you are not doing the diet, you are not gonna get the results that you're looking for. Okay, so it's 100% up to you, and that's the reason why it is so powerful, and that's the reason why we can earn so much money. Okay, but again, you need to make a decision. Okay, you need to realize why you're doing this. At the beginning, we are like, yeah, we're gonna do it because we want to earn more money. But why do you want to earn more money? Okay, chances are that, okay, I'm looking to pay my debts fastest. Okay, maybe there are bills here and there that aren't coming, and you're stressed for that. Okay, maybe it's because you want to spend more time with your family and you're looking for a way in which you can replace your full-time job. Or maybe you were like me, man. When I get started, I used to have 2 full-time jobs. Okay, and I was tired. I was in a huge debt and I was looking to replace that. Okay, maybe you want to spend more time with your kids. Okay, so you're gonna be doing a sacrifice right now because that's what you want. You want to spend more time with your kids. Okay, at the end, it's up to you. Okay, but if you really want to learn more about this, okay, I'm gonna be leaving a link below. Okay, so you can understand this in depth. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.